Good morning, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Spending a few minutes today on the last day with our 22 911 992 GTS. Got it out on a country road today. Just could not be a prettier day. We've got the mountains in the background, and I'm driving a manual shifted 992. It can't get much better than this, honestly. Just a fun car to drive. I'm sure everyone knows what this car is, but I'll give you my final impressions. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'4". I fit in this car like a glove. I have plenty of headroom. I have more legroom than I need. That's just a great feeling in a sports car. Also, it's rock solid on the road at any speed. There is no vibration in the steering wheel at hard braking. There is no faults that I can find. I'm just absolutely head over heels in love with this car, and I know the next owner will be too. Just a fun car to drive and to look at. So I'll do some looking, and then I'll do some driving, and I'll be back in the office to answer questions. So if you guys have any, please ask them, and I will get to them in the comments. All right, good luck all. Great opportunity here. Can't wait to talk to the winner soon. Oh, and CPO, guys. Okay, a car like this with warranty. That's a really valuable thing to have on a car like this. Worry-free driving. Yeah, love it. All right, talk soon.